Good day mga district, John here again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, quick tutorial lang tayo kung paano makapag-transfer ng funds from your CBank account papunta sa iyong GCash account. Siyempre, umpisa na natin agad. First things first guys, mag-login po kayo sa inyong CBank account at i-click nyo lang po yung Pay Transfer. After that guys, click nyo yung e-wallet and click nyo naman yung GCash Exchange. After that guys, enter nyo yung pangalan or yung phone number. So yan, yung akin i-enter ko na ang aking GCash account. And then, hold on, enter ko lang yung details. Select lang. And then, click lang natin yung next. But before we click next, make sure to enter yung name ng pagsesendan ninyo. After that, click lang next. And then, ang kinaganda guys dito kay CBank is meron siyang free transfer, madami. So guys, kung sa inyo gumamit na kayo lagi ng CBank kasi ang ganda nung mga features dito and mataas din. And then now, enter natin yung kung magkano yung ita-transfer. Then click lang natin yung next. After natin i-click yung next, confirm lang natin yung details. And then after that, enter lang natin yung password. And then guys, after nyo i-enter yung password guys, okay na yon, makaka-receive na kayo ng confirmation. So ganun lang guys kadali. Sana nakatulong po ito sa inyo. Now, if you have any questions, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!